Welcome to a summer day of a mom living in Korea with 2 kids, a baby and a toddler. Let's see what my day is like. This is before we shower to get ready for daycare. So this is Benjamin's school bag or daycare bag, and I always have to fill it up with his water bottle and then 5 diapers. Right now Benjamin is hiding. Look at this. Bentley is still sleeping. The baby is still sleeping, but we're going to daycare now. He's hiding under there, closing his eyes. So yeah, this is the new stroller I got, and I have footage of both kids sitting in it. We're testing out the new stroller for 2 kids.
No.
Yeah, it looks perfect. But the baby is still sleeping, so I'm not going to disturb him or wake him up. And it's a pretty nice stroller, but it goes up to it says right here it goes up to, it says max 15 kg per side. So I'm not sure how long this stroller will last, because I think Benjamin is like probably 13 kg, but for now it's pretty good. We're a little bit late, it's already past 9, but let's bring him to daycare. We arrived. Can you say 안녕하세요? And it's finished. So now I'm going to go back to my baby. Hi. Did you wake up? Yeah, you woke up. Hi. 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 Guess who woke up from his sleep? Yes, you did. You woke up. And then I feed him like this. So to improve his room, I'm going to put down this topper because he doesn't sleep well alone. So we can sleep close to each other, but I have my own space and he has his own space. And hopefully he'll sleep better. I'm going to clean up Benjamin's bed. So this is what it looks like. You're able to fold it, so it's easy for storage. And I'm going to have to air out the topper once in a while, so I can just fold it or put it against the wall. And this is the result. Now the pad is on there. And I also cleaned up Benjamin's bed, so now it looks really nice. The baby is chilling here, and I'm gonna go get my food. So here it is. Here is the kimbap, and here is my Tteokbokki. Since it's summertime, we decided to go to the mountain, and we went inside the stream. It was pretty busy, but towards the end of the day, a lot of people leave, and that's when we went. My husband also went to the kids' great grandma and great grandpa's farm.
약 발라. 약 발라.
어? 오. 모자를 가져왔어. 모자. 애기 거, 저기 작은 애 큰 거, 큰 애 작은 거.
애기.
What is that?
할아버지 지팡이.
야 이거 해봐. 천사 할아버지다가 천사 할아버지라 가지고.
어구, 할아버지 소리.
멍멍이 불러봐. 멍멍.
이거 옷 없는데 어떡하려고 이거.
새끼가 말이 이거 안 준대.
먹자? 얼른 먹어. 누구 줘야 돼? 먹어. 응, 먹어. 아이고. 먹어.
이제 그만 있어. 아빠가. 할아버지가 하는 게 아니라 아빠가 하는 게 그래다가 이렇게 왔습니다.
자, 먹어.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 이거? 이거 집에 가서 먹자. 닦아줄게.
사람들은 못 먹어.
엄마 어디요? 한번 잘라 먹어봐. 할아버지가 던진 거 봤어. 이제 아까 또 물에 딱 던진 거. 또 던질게요.
찌켜다 주네. 찌켜다 줘, 찌켜다.
자, 이거 가져가서 먹자. 우와! 또 씻어? 아구, 또 씻을 거야. 열심히 씻어.
잘한다. 잘한다.
얼른 깨끗이 씻어. 얼른 씻어.
And last but not least, we went to Bear Park Zoo. Look at this hollow tree. Whoa. Go inside. Let's go inside. Oh, Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Oh my God. Wow, Benjamin. It's a hollow tree.
저게 뭐야?
Hi, Bentley. Hi. Look at this beautiful garden. The owner keeps driving around and making sure everything is so clean. This is probably the cleanest garden ever.
It looks dry, but this is from nature.
How do you know?
Nature made. I saw a video on YouTube.
From the owner? Are you allowed to touch it?
Yeah, this is the stone. And photo spot.
Hello. Hello, mommy. This garden is absolutely beautiful. It's like heaven on earth. No,
The snake
a
pool.
fly landed on my phone. Yeah, look at those trees. I don't know what.
Go see the bear first.
Where's the bear? Oh, I think he's tired. Wow, Benjamin, look at this. It's like a fairy tale. It's the flower garden. It's really pretty. There's also a tropical house with beautiful flowers. Yeah, the tropical house. This room, oh, it smells really good. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this place. So cute. There's koi fish in here. Under the smoke. What, you want to see the fish? Oh, more. There's fish in there. Cool. That's beautiful. Wow, look at this. The baby is going that way. Let's follow them. The bears are this way. Found the first animal. It's a bear. Oh, what was that noise? What was that noise, Benjamin? What was that? 됐다.
Benjamin, it's coming.
Ooh. Knock knock. Ooh, ooh. Oh, cool. Huh? What was that noise? They're very pretty. And there's one right here. Annyeong. Oh, it's so pretty. And you found the cats. Hmm. You like cats. Hmm.
Look at these guinea pigs. You have seen them. Benjamin, you have seen them. Do you remember? When you were a little baby, you have seen guinea pigs. And you were scared. Oh, they are so cute, Benjamin. Whoa, look at this white bird.
He's looking at you.
Whoa, Benjamin.
So cute. Wow, Benjamin, look at his feathers.
Whoa, Benjamin. You got scared. Benjamin, you were scared. Ooh, scary. Benjamin, look at these giant bears.
There's bears. There's a big bear too. There's a dog here. Mong Mong. Ah! Mong Mong. Hmm. This is also Mongmong? Baby! Hi! Cool. Of course. 가자. Benjamin, look here. There's a bear up there. Oh, there's so many. Wow. It's a real bear up there. They're all chilling. You can see the Mongmong. Benjamin, what do you think? Mongmong. Bear is playing over there. They're having fun. Woohoo! Yoo-hoo! This one is exercising. So fun. He's sitting in the pool. Look at this boy. He's climbing down. Oh, he's running. These two are fighting. Oh, they're fighting. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's backing up. Oh. Wow, this place is truly beautiful, isn't it? Wow. I love it. Look at these big ass bears. He's awake. Wow, if I had my own garden, I would do this too. It's beautiful. Hi, Bentley.
Look at that
Hi, baby. Hi,
Benjamin,
baby.
there's a giant koi fish.
Hi, baby. What do you see? What is he saying?
The water hose.
Oh, you see a water hose? Huh? Huh?
엄마 아빠 간다 그러면.
No, I don't mind if he goes through it. The water hose is right there. Huh? It's okay. Yeah. 앉아? He wants to go in here. 가자. You cannot climb.
거긴 안 돼.
안 돼.
여긴 안 돼, 안 돼.
You can walk here. Here.
여기 이렇게.
Oh, watch out. 가자. Yeah. Hold on. Wow, this background is like so stunning. Oh, is that Aya? Yeah, there's a hose.
벤자민 안 돼.
오.
안 돼. 일로 와.
Oh, that's... Wow. This is the restaurant. Wow. Wow. There's birds. Yeah, you like birds, don't you? Bird. What is bird in Korean?
새.
새. Is that cute? This is a really pretty restaurant. This must have been very expensive to build. Ah, 물. Huh? This looks like it came out of Spain or something. Huh? It's totally like that kind of style. There's even a downstairs. Yeah. How much do you think this was to build? It must have been like so expensive. Wow. So pretty. I love the water part. Really, really cool.
Taiwan.
This was grown in a cliff in Taiwan. Oh, it looks massive.
Oh, this is a tree.
It's just, I think it's just right there.
Hinoki, called Hinoki.
This is the entrance part. There's koi fish here too. Rainbow Pond. I love how the name is in English, but there's no explanation. This is the exit actually, isn't it? Anyway, we can leave here. I think, wasn't the owner on that one? I don't know. Car! Benjamin, did you have fun? Fun. 가자! What do you rate the park out of 5 stars?
Oh, perfect.
Oh, clean.
Very clean.
Thank you, Bear Park. Oh, car. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye, Benjamin.